My site Cryptogrammar was getting hit by bots. I wanted to find them and block them. Here's what I did. First, I looked at who was visiting. My server uses nginx, so the visits are in the access log. I used a command that counts how many requests each IP made and showed the top 20. That told me which IPs were hitting the site the most. Then I focused on bots. Bots usually say so in their user agent, words like bot, crawl, spider, scanner, and so on. I used another command that goes through the log, finds lines with those words in the user agent, and prints the IP. I sorted and counted those IPs to see which bot IPs were most active. Before blocking anyone, I double-checked. For a suspicious IP, I ran a command that prints only the user agents for that IP. If I saw normal browsers, I left it. If I saw only bots and scrapers, I blocked it. To block an IP, I use two options. One is iptables, a rule that drops all traffic from that IP. The other is UFW, deny from that IP, then reload UFW so the rule applies. I could list the rules to confirm. I also limited SSH. Instead of leaving port 22 fully open, I switched to limit on 22 so brute force attempts get throttled. So the flow is find busy IPs from the log, filter by bot user agents, check the IP's user agents, then block with iptables or UFW and lock down SSH. That's how I learned to block bots attacking Cryptogrammar.